on? Well, the market is holding just near the Nifty is holding just near that 25,000 mark at 24,986 levels. But we're now joined by CA Rudramurthy BV, who's the MD at Vachana Investments. A very good afternoon, Mr. Rudra. Let me first take your view on how are you viewing the markets, given we saw a very stellar rally in the last few hours in the yesterday's session, but now the markets are trading fairly flat. How are you viewing this?
Good afternoon and thanks for having me in the show. See, we have to understand clearly that this is a buy on dips market and no shorting whatsoever if you are a short-term trader. And now if you look at supports on Nifty, yes, 24,500 holds a rock bottom support. And for very short term, yes, any dip to 24,800 will be a good buying opportunity. Even at current market price and on dips to 24,800, you should be a buyer. And Bank Nifty having made an all-time high much before Nifty, it is now consolidating. And yes, time-wise consolidation is what we are seeing in banking counter. And yes, even Bank Nifty will make a move towards that all-time high soon. And we have to see market moving towards all-time high in this financial year itself. And for me, markets from now on will see more broader participation. Yes, lot of stocks, especially quality mid and small cap stocks, which have not participated from April to till now, they will now start participating. And yes, I expect broader market to outperform the large caps at current level. And this market is a buy on dip market.
This is a buy on dip market. That's the stance coming in from Rudra. But Rudra, we all remember your extremely bullish stance on the markets as well. Though after a couple of days, the markets were seen to be consolidating a bit. But what a rally we have seen yesterday. Since you are still bullish too, Rudra, help us with the sectors that give you the most confidence at this point.
See, I'll be very clear. As I told, sector-wise, if you see, still I like private banks. And right now, today, the move has started in a lot of public sector undertakings. And especially if you see names like defense or whether it is shipping, railway. So all these are stocks and sectors which can do very good even from here on. So for me, it's a choice. If you want to pick from defense, yes, I will still bet on HAL, BEL. These are my two top stocks from defense sector. If you want to look at even themes from shipping, railway, you have a lot of counters available there. PSU banks can also do well. Power as a theme will do very good. It's a choice whether you want to pick NTPC or even for that matter Tata Power. Look at even power finance companies like your PFCs and RECs. So for me, PSU as a theme will do good from now on. And my all-time favorites, those private sector banks like your HDFC and your ICICI Bank, these are my two top picks, which will continue doing good even from here. And broader market should do good also from here. And I will be focusing more on quality mid and small cap if I have to pick up something right now. So two names to give you right now. Yes, one is Indus Tower. So for me, this stock has made a rounding bottom formation and it has consolidated at levels closer to that 380 to 400. Now today it has given a clear breakout above those levels. Stock is also available in futures. Look at targets of 435, 450 to come on Indus Tower. Have a stop loss of 395 for this long call. Concor is another stock which I really like at current level. Look at yesterday, the move on Concor. Delivery based volumes has been on a rise in last 2 days in this counter, indicating clearly that a lot of accumulation is happening in this stock. Stock is also available in future. One can look at buying Concor, have an initial target of 750 and then even 780, 800 can come on Concor. Have a stop loss of 690 for this long call. So my theme now will be public sector undertaking, and public sector undertaking.
Okay, now that you've said public sector undertaking, with that, we'll let you go. Thank you so much, Mr. Rudra, for joining us.